Hey everyone, Michael Venus here again. How are y'all doing? Thanks a lot for being here. Thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for the support. We're working on a project, like I told you, a pretty big little project, full of details. I'm here working on another chapter, right? And let's get to it, because there's a lot to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And now we're going to the character's feed, okay? Let's go. All right, folks, here we made that first layout, okay? Which is in our video over there. In the first video where I did the whole body. And here I'm working on the second layout, which is the definition, right, of the character. That's the definition of the foot that I'm working on. All of this using a reference as a base, okay? This definitely isn't being done just from my memory. So I need to get a solid visual reference first, and then I can finally start sketching it out. I did that first sketch, right, as a shape, and now I'm doing the second one without a reference. Guys, I could never be drawing this foot here. Okay, it's a bit complex to do, regardless of whose it is, even more so than hands. I think it's doable. You can even draw the foot in a generic way, but if you have a reference, it's much better, okay? You see that I could have used some geometric shapes, right, to help me place things, but I go straight to the shape because, as I told you in the first video, I got used to drawing like this since I was a kid, and then I got some tips at the studio where I worked from other artists. Tips like building the base a bit with geometric elements to get started. These days, I just go straight to it. I can already see the shape clearly of what I'm drawing, especially because I have many years of dedicated practice, years of getting used to drawing specifically in this niche, focusing on complex anatomy and detailed clothes. So I already know more or less exactly how to draw these things, or I already know much more than before, and I can already clearly see it all in my mind. The shape of things becomes a bit easier, right? And with practice, you'll reach this ability to already see the volume of things, okay? So you really need to pay close attention to the shape. Always pay attention to the shape, to the outline. Pay attention to the volume. Volume is very important, okay? So you can bring realism to your drawing. So you can bring staying true and being faithful to what you want to create, okay? And then you continue to refine and keep on adjusting it. You saw that I drew the foot, and again, as I always say, the limb to which another is connected, I go back and redo the entire thing once more. I could skip it, maybe I wouldn't need to do it, but I like to, because there's always something that needs to be adjusted, there's always something that needs to be shaped. And when I redo it, I feel more confident when it comes to connecting the limbs, you know? I think I can see it better, and I give more authenticity to what I'm doing, you know? It's like clay, it's like modeling clay. You keep smoothing it out. And you keep adding volume, removing the excess. It's always like that. When you're making a character, for example, out of clay, you see that the person glues things together and keeps adding more clay. To make this amendment, this connection, this link, it's all the same thing. So I'll keep remodeling it, okay? So that all connections feel natural and genuine. Stay very realistic and reaching perfection, which is what we want, right? As artists, we want to make it as realistic as possible. And then we keep adjusting until we reach a common ground. All right, folks, we're here. You saw that the foot is quick to do. There's not much of a secret. It's just that here the image is also at a speed, right? Faster than normal, obviously. Me, when the foot is facing forward like this, when the feet are practically mirrored, I duplicate. I think for the foot, there's no need to make another one, you know? Even when, like I did the hand, if you've seen the hands video, where I do one hand over the other to make it a bit different, the foot I don't even care much about, to tell you the truth. So if the foot is mirrored, I just do one foot. Right? Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Leave your questions, your opinions, your suggestions here to make the channel more palatable, to make the channel more satisfying for you watching. These are the first videos on the channel, okay? I'm just starting out, so everything is we're still taking shape, right? And I need and I want your feedback to make this good for you. To make this good for you who likes to draw, for you who wants to learn how to draw, or who simply likes to watch drawing videos this way too. Okay? So like, comment, and share. Thank you very much, and bye-bye. Thanks.